Good morning, children. Your unit tests are over now, yes? So, our class begins again. Now we got to complete the rest of the subjects, chapters for your half-yearly examination. So, today is your EVS class. And so, I'm starting. Today's chapter is what you know? It's chapter 8, Clothes. Now children, before I start the chapter, I would like to say you something. We all of us wear clothes, isn't it? Yes. Why? To cover a body. We wear clothes to cover a body. Now there are different types of clothes that we wear. For summer we wear one kind of clothes. For winter we wear one kind of clothes. For rainy season, we wear one kind of clothes. So while we'll read the chapters, we'll come to know. So we came to know about the houses, water, food and all these things. So today about the clothes. Okay. Now please take out this page 43. Chapter 8. See here all the pictures of clothes. Yes. Let's see the names and I'm going to explain you, okay, this chapter now. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. They also protect us from dirt and dust. So if we cover a body, then a body will not get dirty. And the dust which is there will not stick to our bodies. Then if it is very cold, if we take precaution, we wear woolen clothes to cover ourselves, then we will not catch cold and fall sick. Summertime also excessive heat. To cover ourselves, we need to wear cotton clothes, light clothes. And when rain, most of you know, we wear raincoats to cover ourselves, to protect ourselves from rain. So first picture is of a shirt, next picture is trouser, third is the frock. These are the type of clothes we wear. Then sweater, raincoat, sari, gloves, skirt, coat, shorts. Got it? Now next page 43. We wear different types of clothes in different season. What children? We wear different clothes in different season. Because see, in summertime we cannot put on sweater. And winter time we cannot put on simple shirts and frocks and like that. We have to wear woolen clothes. In rainy day you just cannot go out with your woolen clothes or cotton clothes, anything. You have to wear raincoat because you'll get wet. You got to protect your body. So let us read, okay? We wear cotton clothes in summer. What type of clothes do we wear, children? We wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keeps us cool. Why do we wear cotton clothes? Because cotton clothes keeps us cool. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. From where do we get the cotton? We get the cotton from the cotton plants. Next point. We wear woolen clothes in winter. What type of clothes we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. Wool comes from the sheep. From where do we get the wool? We get the wool from the sheep. Third point. We wear raincoats when it rains. They keep us dry. So what we wear when it rains? We put on raincoats. This keeps us dry. We also use umbrellas on a rainy day. Raincoats we wear to protect our body. Sometimes if we don't have a raincoat, we carry umbrella to cover our head and body. It protects us from rain. So two things we use for protect us from rain, that is raincoat and umbrella. Children wear uniforms in school. So in school, when you come to school, children, don't you wear your school uniform? Yes, your belt, tie, white shirt, white trouser or white skirt for girls, yes. So when children come to school, students, they put on uniform because they look smart. People who do special jobs also wear uniform. Now people in certain places where they do job, they need to put on uniform. So let us know who are they. You can recognize them, people, just by looking at the uniform. So in certain jobs, certain people put on fixed type of uniform. When you see them wearing that, you can understand whether that is a lawyer or a doctor or a postman or a nurse or a police or a soldier. Got it? So here are the pictures. You please see. First picture is doctor. First picture is doctor, then nurse, then postman, then policeman, and then the last one is soldier. Got it? So these are the people who put on uniforms. By seeing them, you can understand these special job peoples have got special type of uniform to recognize them. We wear beautiful and colorful clothes on our birthdays or when we attend parties. That too, all of us know, whenever there is a party or birthday, or you can say festivals also, that time we put on lovely dresses, attractive, colorful dresses. Yes, because we try to enjoy by putting on colorful, bright colored clothes and to make ourselves look more beautiful and attractive. Yes. Now, though we wear clothes, we need to take care of it, children. As we came to know, we wear clothes. Clothes we wear, but clothes has to be maintained also. How can we maintain those clothes? How can means we take care of those clothes? If you plant a tree also, you need to take care. If you have a pet in the house, you got to take care. So whatever you have, you need to, whatever you in life you face, whether clothes or books or anything, we need to take care. So for clothes, when we put on clothes, we need to take care of them also. So let us know what are the points which should we follow to take care of the clothes. We should take proper care of our clothes. Here are few tips for you to keep your clothes neat and clean. Here are few tips for you to keep your clothes neat and clean. Number 1, wash your clothes with good detergents or soaps. Number 1, wash your clothes with good detergents or soap. Detergents means the powder, washing powder. Number 2, iron your clothes regularly. So when you wash your clothes, you dry, you iron it. Why? To make it look more smart. Do not touch your clothes with dirty hands. Once your clothes are clean and all, you should not touch with dirty hands because the clean cloth might get dirty or some patch might come out over it. Okay. Keep your clothes in a wardrobe or a shelf. So whatever clothes you clean, you add in it, and you should keep it in proper place. Either you hang it in a hanger and keep it in the wardrobe, or on the shelf. You fold it nicely and keep it on the shelf. So it remains smarter. So when you wear, it looks clean and attractive and smart. It looks clean, smart and attractive. It's clear to you? So these are the points how we should take care of our clothes. So I completed this chapter. Children, you go over it, read it properly. So on the next class, I'll be giving the snapshots of the exercises. And after that, next class, I will be giving you the question answers. So please read the chapter properly and understand it. Okay. I'm just going over the exercise once. Snapshots I'll give you later on. Take the correct answer. On which day do we wear cotton clothes? Cold, hot, raining. It will be hot. Only on which day do we wear cotton clothes, children? We wear it on the hot. The option will be hot. B. Hot. B. On which animals gives us wool? Sheep, cow, horse. It will be sheep. 3. Raincoats and umbrella keeps us dash. It will be cool, warm, dry. It will be dry. True and false. People wear different types of clothes. Yes, true. Number 1, true. Number 2, we wear gumboots on a rainy day. Yes, true. Number 2, true. Number 3, we wear colorful clothes on birthdays. True. Clean clothes. Number 4, clean clothes makes us look bad. False. Number 5, we should wash clothes with a good soap. True. So number 3 is true. Number 4 is false. Number 5 is true. Circle the correct words. Cotton clothes keep us cool and warm. It will be cool. 2. Raincoats keeps us wet and dry. Dry. We get cotton from the rose and cotton plant. Number 3. Cotton. Number 4. We wear uniform in school, at home. It will be in school. So I'll be giving you the snapshots. You'll be getting the question answers. And I'll be giving you some drawings of the clothes which you got to draw and stick picture. I'll let you know for that. Okay. So go over it. So today I end the class here. Meet you all again. Till then, bye.